Good everyone, you're welcome to CAD Baron again. For this particular class, I'll be showing you guys how to do a detailed drawing. I'll show you how to do a detailed drawing. For this particular work, we'll move to File, then New, go to Drawing. Drawing, we'll click here. So it takes time for it to load. Then we have been able to get this drawing sheet. This is a title block. Now depending on the version you're using, some versions they already write your name. So for this particular one, they will show you the date at which this particular job is done. So all you have to click here, base. You must say okay. So we're going to look for that particular work now. Where do we save it? Now watch, I'll come to this area. This is part 44. This is part 44. I'll come to file, or let's say open. Okay, I click on save. What location am I? Let me just save it here. Part 4. Let me say part 44. Part 44. I'll save it as part 44. Part 44. I click save. Couldn't save because okay. So I'll look for another location to drop it. Say document inventor. I want to save it in a particular location where I can always make reference to it. So I'll come to this place. I say desktop. Inventor samples. No. Inventor jobs. So I'll save it as part 44. View large. So part 44. Yes. Part 44 saved. I'll come to file. Then I move to drawing. I'll click here. I'll click on base. So this is the job here. So what happened earlier is because I've not saved it. Then I'll click here to bring out the isometric view. I'll click here. Then I'll click here. And I'll click here. Then if I'm not comfortable with the scaling, I'll change it. I'll show you guys how to do that. Now I'll come to this particular one. I'll try to see how I can position them properly. For this particular one, I'll drag him up here. Then I can double click. You can add the colors here like this. You want to bring out the detailed view depending on what you want to achieve. Then you can come here, the scaling is too large. I'll say 1:2. I'll click OK. Then I'll see how I'll adjust it. I'll double click again. Then I'll click here. Then I click OK. You see what I have now. Then if I come to this area, I come here, watch please. So I have to move this since it was the base, the origin of the job. So I'll move this so others will move. Now I can come here and change the scale. I double click. This is 1:1. Let me make it 1.5 so to be a little bit bigger. Now I have something like this. I just double click to make my work come back to the normal plane. Then annotate. I come to dimension. I click here. Then I move here. I'll be able to have something like this. Then I come to this area. I click here and I click here. So I'll be able to have something like this. Just like what was given to us. So if I come here, I'll have this. If I come here, okay. Then if you want to also change the colors, I'll also see if I have that time to show you. I'll click here. Yeah. Then from here to here, there should be a distance. Then from this point to this point, there's a distance also. So since the total is 125, so we have a distance of, so let's see, tap escape, you click here to make it inside, you can move it inside. So like this is okay. What else? I come here, dimension, from here, so this is the dimension for this. Then if I want to bring out, let me check for something. Okay, this okay, let me use this center mark. I'll click here, there's a center mark, I'll click here. If there's any other center mark circle, I'll click here, and I'll also click here. So what do I do now? Watch please. I'll come to dimension, come to this area, I'll click here, and I'll click here. I have a distance. Then if I click here and I click here, I also have a distance. I'm sure you can see that. Then if I come to this area, please watch, I click here and I click here, I have a distance. Then if I click here and I click here, I think there's an angle already. So if I click here now and I click here, please watch, here and here, dimension, watch, I click here and I click here. So I have a distance like this now. Then I can come to this area, dimension, I'll show you the fillet. I did a fillet here, the radius is 10. I come to this area, you can watch, click here. Mind you, the total distance from here to here, if you can remember, is 125 millimeters. Then I come to this area from here to here, I have something like this. Okay, then also from here to here, dimension, always engage your dimension. So here is 112 millimeters. I come to this area, of which this is the area we started from. So from here to here, we'll take it as 27. From here to here, we'll take it as 12. From here to here, take it as 12 again. Tap escape. Watch. So from, okay, so let's say let's take dimension from here to here, 15. Then if I want to check this dimension from here to this point, it's 35. So I'll tap my escape, I'll click here, I'll bring it out a little so that it does not contradict to the other one. Watch. Then dimension from here to here. So if there is something you want to write a text, you just click on text, you come here, symmetric view, make it bold. You want to put a color, you can put red, then click OK. Look at it's showing here. Then you want to increase the font size, you can make it 6. Isometric view, okay. So you don't like it, don't like it at this position, you can just move it to a place that is comfortable for you. So this way we have been able to see how we can arrange the job like this, putting whatever we have done on detailed drawing. Okay guys, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. I'll also be showing you some other details